This is the 14th video in the customization project on this Suzuki Sirius 14-hole knockoff customization project. The harp is great now. It's been worked on. It's in great condition. And the next thing we're going to do is make the slider, the Kettlewell Frictionless Mouthpiece slider. And I thought I would explain it to you. Well, here's a slider. It's called Cool Ice. This is the one I designed and I manufactured. And there were a lot of different designs tested over time. This one was made for a Pizarro Elite, but it has a huge hole in it, just like the harp does. But originally, this was actually a slider for a Suzuki, believe it or not. I just modified it. It was originally made to go on a Suzuki. So let me explain how this works, and then I'll get into fabrication and actually making it. Well, it does a lot of things differently, but whether it's better, that's another point. But it is different. And what it allows is movement to new note hole positions without your lips sliding on the mouthpiece, lubricated or by saliva. Is that a good thing? Now, so the lip does not slide on the mouthpiece. The slider slides on the mouthpiece, and the slider stays stationary on the lip. Okay, how does that help anything? Well, you're not having to use saliva anymore. That's one. The harp stays clean. That's number two. Movement to new note hole positions is easier, and you got to do this when you play with pucker on a harmonica, but you don't with this. The one hole, my lips are relaxed. I don't have to pucker to get the same effect as a pucker. That means it's more relaxed to the mouth, and I like that. It also cuts the note differently. Listen. It can cut a note crisper versus more classical, more correct. I think it's Andrea Antonello, the composer in Italy, said it was the first time that harmonica actually rose to the level of a professional orchestral instrument, which is kind of cool. But I think it's great, and so the task here, of course, you can do arpeggios, much easier. Okay, so that's what this is, and so we're going to make one for this, and in the next video, we'll start up the process of planning its construction, and I'll explain it, then we'll get to it.